Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Sharma, your maths teacher. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 2a. Let us look first question. Is 35 a factor of 455? So for solving this, what we will do? We will divide 455 by 35. So one time it will go, we will subtract 35 from 45, we will have 10. Now we will bring down this number 5, then we are having 105, a new number. Now we will divide this by 35 again, 3 times it will go, and then we will have 105. We subtract this and then remainder will come 0. So now it is divided 13 times and 0 and remainder we are having 0. So it means 35 is the factor of 455 because we are having two numbers 35 and 13. So 35 is the factor of this number. Now the next part, third part, are 5 and 3 factors of 1647. So for solving this, what we will do? Now given digit is 1645. So what we will do for finding that this number is divisible by 3 or not, we add all the digits of this number. So we are having, after adding this, we are having 18. Now 18 is divisible by 3, hence this whole number will divide by 3. Divisible by 3. Now we will check the divisibility rule by 5. So here the last digit is 7, which is not divisible by 5, and we know according to rule, if last digit is 0 or 5, then only number is divisible by 5. But here it is 7, so this number is not divisible by 5. Hence the digit 3 is the factor of this number. Now next part number 5. Are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the factor of 4620. So how we will find out this? We will check all the divisibility rule for this number. Let us look. See, so first we will check divisibility rule by 2. So we know that according to rule, if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it will divide by 2. So here last digit is 0, it means this number is divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility by 3. So for this we will add all the digits. Now after adding we are having the total 12. 12 is divisible by 3, hence 4620, this whole number will divisible by 3. Now we will check the divisibility rule by 5. So this number 4620 we will see. So last digit is 0, and we know according to rule, if last digit is 0 or 5, then the number will divisible by 5. So here we can say that this whole number is divisible by 5. Now the next divisibility rule we will see, that is 7. So we will subtract this last double of the last digit from the number which is made up of the remaining digits. So here the main number is 4620. So from this last digit we will double, that is 0, and then we will subtract from the number which is made up of the remaining digit, that is 462. So after subtracting we are having 462. Again we will repeat the same process, then we will have 42. So now we can see that 42 is divisible by 7, hence we can say that this whole number 4620 will divisible by 7 only. Now we will check the divisibility rule by 11. So this 4620, this whole number we will write, and then we will see that all the even digit, means the even place digit we will write and then we will add. So here you can see that even place is 2, here 2 digit is given, and even place is 4, here 4 digit is given. So we will add this, we will have 6. Now sum of the odd digit will be 0 plus 6, then 6 will come again. Their difference is 6 minus 6, that is 0. And according to the rule that if the difference of the even and odd digit is 0 or 11, then this whole number will divisible by 11. So we can say that this number is divisible by 11. Now question number 2, first part. Write the first 8 multiples of 7. So for this we will write all the digits which are coming in table of 7. That first 8 digits we will write. And same in the part 3 he is asking write the first 6 multiples of 11. So same procedure we will follow in this. Now see here, write the first 8 digit multiples of 7. So that are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. And the third part, the first 6 multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. Starting 6 multiples we have to write, and that's over. Now the third part, he is saying write all the prime numbers between 1 to 50. So these all prime numbers are here: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. And these prime numbers you have to learn only. And the how to find out the prime numbers, that by the sieve of Eratosthenes, I have already explained in my previous video. If you have not seen, then you please check that. Now the next question is question number 4. Make pairs of co-prime numbers from 15, 21, 28, 16 and 11. So for this we will see that first you know that what is the co-prime number. Two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they do not have any common factor other than 1. Means they should not cut by any table. किसी भी table से वो cut नहीं होने चाहिए. ऐसे numbers हमें pair बनाना है. Okay. So now here we can see we can make any pair. 15 and 28, they are not coming together in any table. 15 and 16 are also co-prime. 15, 11 are also co-prime. 16 and 21, and these pairs are here you can make. These all are co-prime number. Okay, I hope you can understand this and try to do all the remaining parts yourself. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. See you in the next video with the next exercise. Try to do all the remaining parts yourself. Do practice, because practice is essential for maths. Take care. Goodbye.